Hey guys, so basically I'm gonna try a new initiative this month. I'm not gonna buy any more food or unnecessary things. Now, I'm not gonna not buy any more food. Like, I have staples like pasta and noodles, and yes, ramen at home. I have rice. I have canned tomatoes. I have certain things. But what I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna buy any more meat. I do have uh the kielbasa and some chicken nuggets left in my freezer. But I'm not gonna buy any more meat in August, and I'm only going to buy perishable fruits and vegetables. So no sodas, nothing unnecessary. Now, if I'm at work, if I need to buy lunch, that's a separate thing. But I'm gonna try not to buy anything like that when I'm, for home. So, please, I'll take all the encouragement that you want to give me, and I will do weekly check-ins and see how I do. Right now is the end of July. The last few days I've so far bought some oranges. I have bought a lobster for lunch. Long story, I had a rain check for a really good deal, so I got one. And yeah, I think that's it. I got some oranges. I had the lobster. I bought some water chestnuts for stir fry. Long story, I just really wanted some. And that's basically it. Yeah, so thanks for watching this, and hopefully I'm able to have a healthier lifestyle and control my spending a little bit more this month. Obviously, essentials, like if I run out of TP, for example, I'm gonna buy it. But besides that, we'll have to see how far I can cut unnecessary spending and junk food out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week.